Are you looking to sell your home? Assessing your property's condition and making the necessary repairs before putting it on the market will allow you to accomplish the sale within your targeted time frame and boost your home's value. That's where a pre-listing home inspection comes in. Focus on the most important things first. We've listed a few areas that will concern potential buyers when reviewing the home inspection report. Plumbing. Fix the leaks. Plumbing problems can lead to water damage that will significantly impact the home's potential value. Address these areas quickly. Electrical systems. Are the electrical panel and circuit breaker configuration adequate for today's needs? The inspector will determine if there are issues. Roof. Deteriorated roof coverings are among the first things that will draw the potential home buyer's attention. Roof issues are expensive and on the top of a buyer's focus. Health concerns. Indications of moisture or mold are a big health concern, and you likely won't get your target offer if present. Be sure to address the source of the problem. Please note that while plumbing, the electrical systems, roof, and health issues are primary areas for concern, they are not the only areas worth your attention. Before listing your home, be sure your home is in marketable selling condition.